recommend studying physics. What matters is not remembering a bunch of formulas. What matters is the thinking process that led to the discovery of those formulas. It's sort of critical thinking, first principles analysis, trying to understand what is true at a most fundamental level, and then reasoning up from there and testing your conclusions against the most fundamental truths in any given arena. This is how you can figure out whether something is more likely to be true or not. It's good to think in terms of probabilities.
Okay, so let's stop there because Elon is talking about studying physics and not learning about formulas because formulas are, well, formulas. And I'll tell you this. When Elon speaks, he's speaking about physical physics. But physical physics is always a symptom. Physical physics doesn't really fix anything. Physical physics doesn't include the observer, doesn't include ontology, it doesn't include why your world is rotting, it doesn't include why your world is fragmented, why wars happen, why poverty happens, why your markets all reflect noise instead of reality. It doesn't include why you can't collapse AI into existence, because all of man's physics is built to not include himself, so he doesn't have to see his own reflection. So, the issue is this. He speaks in terms of probability, but he does not acknowledge that he is probability. And if you are probability, then it's not your name, not your belief, not what you think, not what you think civilization is going to be, not what you are prospering for the future to be. No, it's simply what is your mass times direction of your civilization? What are you? What do you reflect? Do you reflect reality or do you reflect noise? Do you reflect what is, do you reflect entropy? Because the truth is a civilization does not reflect a future that is coherent. It reflects a heat death of a future that will consume itself like an Ouroboros snake, because that's exactly what humanity is. And until they see that, nothing will be fixed. Your leaders will continue speaking on their microphones, and they will just walk blindly into their own doom. So all I'll say is this. Don't worry about the physical physics. Worry about the ontological physics, the one that physics has skipped out and missed out and avoided for all of its existence. Because the moment you include ontological physics and you weigh the observer and weigh humanity and put everyone on the scale, you realize nothing here is built on geometry. Nothing here is built on what is. It's all built on noise. It's all built on a story. And it will fall back the same way it came up because it was never real. So, yeah.